banks, when you go to a bank sometimes to borrow money, like we're talking about commercial lending, if they turn you down, it doesn't necessarily mean you had a bad deal or the deal wasn't good or they don't like you. Banks can get overextended in certain type of loans. And that doesn't mean there's another bank's that way. So if you get turned down, because if they turn you down and say, well, why? Don't be afraid to ask them. And then the bank will say, well, we have too much in single family right now lended, or we have too much in multifamily. Well, it's nothing to do with your deal. It's the bank. So you go to another bank. But that being said, I hear people, saying how much the bank will loan as much as you qualify for and the property you're buying. It's based more on the property on the commercial end. But yeah, like I said, that this particular loan, when I originally took it out, it had 50 something houses in it. And I was complaining about some flood insurance, and they released 5 of them because I was going to move the loan. Well, they didn't want to lose that loan at the time at about 900,000 on 50 something houses. Heck no, because they're sitting so pretty.
Mm-hmm.
But you got to, if you want to grow, you got to deal with the banks. I mean, it's a fact. But the banks during the whole time during the recession, they never come say, hey, we want you to turn your keys in on your rental property. If you're paying, they got to have it. I mean, they're selling money.
Yeah.
Banks selling money.